Dear students, today I am going to tell you how to organize your files and folders in your mobile phone, which is based on your chapter 3, that is Windows. For this, what you have to do, you have to open the application File Manager. It could be My Files, it could be Doc Manager, and mostly it should be the File Manager. You just have to click that application. I have just clicked it. Now you can see there are folders like pictures, videos, music, documents, then downloads. These types of folders are there. You can see the same type of folders are there in your laptop and PC also, which Windows are providing us. This is just to differentiate the things which we are storing, the files which we are storing in our mobile phone, or we are storing it in our laptop. Now when we are talking about mobile phones, now we want to organize files and folders, so basically we have to work with the documents. So I am going to click at documents. When I will click at documents, you can see it's just taking time to load. Let it be few seconds. And when you will see all, what you will see there, all types of files will be there. Your PDF file will be there, number of PDF files are there, then presentation could also be there, Excel file is also there, then we have Word files. So all the files are there under all option, and there are different categories also. When we talk about PDF, then you will see all the PDF files will be there. When we talk about doc, so all the Word files will be there. This is how they have differentiated the files. Now we will have the PDF files. Now you have number of PDF files, and if you want to have it, generally you are having your PDF file only as your homework and as your assignments or as your answer keys which you have to save. So we will be taking PDF files. Now select the PDF file. So I am selecting 7 to 8 PDF files, right? Then if I want to move it from here, then I will use cut option. If I want that these files should remain here and it should be copied to another folder, then I can use copy option. But right now I want to remove it from here and I want to copy it to another. I just want to remove it from here or move it from here to another folder. So I will click at the cut option, right? As soon as I will click at cut option, it will ask that whether I want to store it in the SD card or I want to store it in the device storage. Now in place of device storage, it could ask you about the internal storage. So you can go for device storage or internal storage, right? Then here you will find number of folders are there. You can see if you have any of your earlier folder, you can take that folder. Otherwise, if you want to make your own folder, just click at this new option which is at the bottom of the screen. You can see it on the left side. There is a new option. It could be there in your phone at the top, plus sign, or it could be written as create folder. So different phones have different option. Now in my phone it is new and plus sign. So I will be taking this. A new folder will be there. Now I want to give this folder as name as my folder. I will click at OK. Right now this is my folder. I'm going to open it, and you can find here there are two options which are highlighted. First is new and then is paste. I will click at paste. Now these files will be pasted over here. Now you can see 6-7 files are there in my folder. Now if I want to arrange these files in a proper subfolders, folders inside a folder is known as subfolder, and if I want to make a folder inside my folder, then again I have to use this new option. I will click here and I will get the option of new folder. I will name it as English so that I can organize my files according to the subjects. So I'm writing here English. This folder is there. Now I can choose any one of the files. Suppose this exercise of chapter 5 notes, this file is of English, then I will just cut it and I will open English folder and I am going to paste it here. Now those 3 files will come here in my English folder, right? When I will move back, you can see there only 4 files are there, and in English folder we have 3 files. Then again I want to make a subfolder for another subject. Suppose I want to make it for maths, then I will type maths. I will click at OK. Now maths folder is there. Now I will take the maths files. Suppose these 2 files are of maths, then again cut and I will click it at maths. I will going to paste it here. So this will be my maths folder. This is how I can make the folders of all the subjects, right? For science, for Hindi, for English. This is how I can make the folders. Now once you have created your folder and you want to see them, so what you have to do, how you can see them, it won't be visible in the document place. What you have to do, you have to click at the storage. When you will click at storage, you will find number of folders over there. Then you have to about search your folder which you have made. And which folder was mine? My folder. I'm going to search for my folder. Here it is. I'm going to click it, my folder. Then you can see English folder is there, maths folder is there, next two are there. If I want to save them in another folder, again I'm going to click at new folder. I can make science folder, click at OK. Science folder is there and I can select these two files and I can cut it from here and I can paste it in the science folder. Now under my folder, what I am having, I'm having all my 3 folders of different subjects, right? Now if I want to change the name, suppose the files which I have saved in science folder is of Hindi, how can I rename it? So for this, select the folder, just click at these 3 dots, click at rename option, and there you can write Hindi, right? Click at OK. Then this is how I can rename the file. I hope the things are clear to you. So okay then, bye.